Okay, guys, we have some stickers. They're Hot Buy stickers to show you. And these are on sale today for $4.99 a stack. They range from like 670 stickers all the way up to like 1,400, I think. So here's the one. This goes with the Sugar Plums. Okay, the Sugar Plum Christmas pad here. And then we have Seasons and Holidays. Oops. Went a little bit quick. I don't know why it does this on this pad all the time. This one pad. Okay, and then we have Safe Freeze. And this goes with the Safe Freeze paper, which is right here. Okay. All right, guys, that does it for all the stickers. And again, it's all $4.99 today.